everyone, welcome back. So I have been meaning to film this video for a very long time, and finally today I got to doing this. So the thing is that there is one book which is very popular among the masses. Everybody talks about it, and I also feel the same. And I think the popularity of this book to some extent is also justified, because if you are one of those people who are trying very hard to strengthen their vocabulary, to up their vocabulary game, to enhance their pronunciation and English language, then I think this book can really be beneficial for you. I am talking about The Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. Now, I'm very much sorry for this distorted spine, because I have practiced rigorously from this book. As you can see, I've practiced from every session of this book, so it kind of got distorted. Also, I'm thinking about getting this binded. So yeah, anyways, I thought, why not let's just make a video about this book and how did I study from this book, how did I feel, did it help me, did it make any progress in my language game. So yeah, I'll be talking about all such things in this video. So the purpose of this book is to let you know few tips as to how you can approach this book. To know how did I approach this book. Now, this is one of those books which is not just meant to be read. This is not a fictional piece. You do not have to read as if it is a fictional piece. No, that would be an incorrect approach. Now, what you have to keep in mind is that this book has 46 or 47 sections, if I'm not mistaken, and ideally the author says that you should spend at least one day in finishing one session. You do not have to be hasty enough to finish this book as if it is prescribed by your school curriculum. No, it is not your school textbook or college textbook. You do not have to be hasty in finishing this. You can take your proper time. You have to extract the maximum from this book so that it is of any help to you. Otherwise, the purpose would be futile. However, if you ask me personally, then I would say that I used to solve 2-3 sessions from this book per day, because at that time the whole COVID situation was there and I did not have to attend my colleges, did not have any assignments pending, so I had ample amount of time in my hand, so I was able to afford 2-3 hours to this book. So yeah, and it's not like that even if you give 2-3 hours to this book it would get boring for you. No, it's not like that. It has been written in such a fashion that once you start progressing with each session, you will start feeling interest, you will start gaining interest in every session. It would be that enjoyable a process. When you will start reading this book, you will realize one positive point about this book, and that is none of the words in this book has been written in a lame fashion. You know what I mean? Like, each and every word has been described with their etymological meaning, with their origin, with their root, so that it is easy for the readers to understand and grasp the concepts. And this is exactly how the readers are supposed to understand the concept, because when you read this way, when you start memorizing any word with their origin, with their etymological reference, then it is more likely that you will be able to remember or memorize the words for a longer period of time. Through this book, you not only learn different words but also the correct pronunciation of those words. Author of this book says that if you want to derive the maximum benefit from this book, then try to speak each and every word loudly, so that the correct usage and the correct pronunciation of that specific word is registered in your brain. Also, try to solve the sessions in honest way possible. Solve the exercises and try to analyze your answers. Cross check for yourself and see whether you are making progress or not. Track the progress, track your learning process, and this way you will see that you are definitely benefiting from this book. Okay? Also, I'll attach a very small clip over here in which you can see that how I have tried to solve many exercises in this book, and I've also tried marking myself for each correct answer. This way you are able to track your progress. This way you will be able to derive maximum benefit from the book. The only fault which I did was I solved the sessions with the help of pen. I could have easily used pencil, but never mind. I would suggest you all should to go with the pencil instead of inks. Also, when you are solving the sessions, just make sure that you allot ample amount of time to yourself. Solve one session each day. Do not be in hasty manner. And whenever you are coming across a word which is alien to you, which is a tad bit difficult, just make sure that you understand the root word, the etymological meaning of the word, and then you grasp the concept. Only when you do this will you be able to derive maximum benefit from this book, and you would be able to retain that word for a longer period of time. Otherwise, the whole process would be futile. This book has also proved to be a very important one for competitive exam preparations, and then it becomes more so imperative that you choose a good book, a wise book, so that you are able to get maximum help in your grammar section in any exams you prefer to sit, because the book has been written in such a detailed fashion that even if you're not able to recollect your memory on the spot, or you are not able to get the meaning or memorize the meaning of any word, but if you have read this book properly, you would realize that the words aren't any more alien to you. Now, of course, let's see few pointers as to why you should be reading this book, why you should be picking this book. Number one, this book can be hands down the best pick for you if you want to up your vocabulary game. The book can help you improve your pronunciation to a larger extent as well. Number three, for any competitive exam preparation, you will see experts recommending this book by %. If you want to enhance your grammar section, if you want to up your markings in the grammar section. So you can definitely pick this book if you are preparing for any competitive exams. Number four, the author has given numerous words in the end of this book for you to remember, for you to use in your day-to-day conversation. So that's an added advantage. The last and the ultimate benefit you can get after practicing from this book is that your reading and writing skills will improve drastically. It will look refined and edgy. So yeah, these pointers were, I think, sufficient enough to convince you into getting your hands on this book. And if you want to inculcate any of these actions in your daily practice, then please do solve the exercises and do let me know if this book was of any help to you in the comments down below. And that's a wrap, guys. Also, if you liked today's video, then please consider subscribing to my channel, commenting down below if you have any query or suggestion, subscribing to this channel, sharing the video. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'll provide the IG handle somewhere down here. And yes, until then, be safe, do well, keep connected, and thank you.